This German city was secretly Europe's most powerful capital for 40 years. Most tourists flocked to Berlin or Munich, missing a city that once held the keys to a continent's future. I am your guide Explore World by IK. We uncover places hiding in plain sight. Today, I'll reveal 3 secrets about Bonn, Germany, that will change how you see Europe. Why did a modest town become the nerve center of a global power? By the end, you'll understand why insiders call Bonn Germany's best-kept secret. Let's unveil the city whose time has finally come. Secret number 1. This small city once controlled the destiny of 80 million people. For over 4 decades, Bonn was the capital of West Germany, shaping the post-war world. While the world watched Berlin, Bonn was the epicenter of a nation's rebirth. In 1770, Beethoven was born here, creating masterpieces. In 1949, Bonn was chosen as a temporary solution. That temporary status lasted 40 years, shaping modern Europe. Bonn was where decisions changed the world. Bonn, a small city, once controlled the fate of over 80 million people. For 40 years, it was the capital of West Germany and the nerve center of the Cold War. While Berlin made headlines, Bonn quietly rebuilt a nation and shaped global policy. In 1949, Bonn was chosen as a humble, provisional capital, never meant to last. But history had other plans. Bonn became the enduring symbol of West German democracy. It oversaw decades of prosperity and diplomacy. Sometimes, the most profound impact comes from the most unexpected places. Bonn is more than politics, it's the birthplace of a sound revolution. Ludwig van Beethoven was born here in 1770, redefining music. He composed masterpieces while losing his hearing, channeling pain into genius. His symphonies still move people to tears centuries later. Beethoven's struggle and triumph are woven into Bonn's spirit. Bonn's power isn't just political, it's the heart of a genius. Here's secret number 2. Bonn's 2 identities, capital and birthplace of Beethoven, powerfully collide. In 1949, Germany chose Bonn as its capital for what it symbolized. After the horrors of war, Germany wanted a capital of culture, not conquest. Bonn, city of Beethoven, became a statement of new values. It was the steady hand guiding a nation. This is the history hiding in plain sight. And there's one more secret inside Beethoven's own house. Secret number 3. Inside Beethoven's birthplace, history comes alive. It's more than a museum. It's where Beethoven's genius began. See his letters and even his ear trumpets, evidence of his struggle. For 10 euros, experience the real story, not a tourist trap. Bonn preserves authenticity, letting you connect with Beethoven's legacy. It's an emotional journey far beyond sightseeing. Just a short walk from Beethoven's home stands the Bonn Minster, a 900-year-old Gothic masterpiece with towering spires. To enter this magnificent marvel, it is completely free. You can walk right in and immerse yourself in its sacred atmosphere. Tucked away is a hidden Romanesque cloister, a tranquil oasis. One moment you're standing in a grand cathedral and the next you're discovering a hidden secret garden. For that perfect Instagram shot, visit Poppelsdorf Palace. Its picturesque gardens are Instagram gold. Access is free. Culture lovers, a challenge. Bonn's Museum Mile. 5 world-class museums stand side by side. I couldn't see them all in one day. Can you conquer the Museum Mile? Every year, Bonn transforms into a real-life fairy tale. For a few weeks in April, the Altstadt explodes with cherry blossoms. The branches form a dense, continuous canopy, creating a surreal pink tunnel. Bonn's cherry blossoms create an overwhelming wave of pink. You can walk through this pink paradise without tourist crowds. This Bonn secret will make you want to book your flight immediately. The most magical pink wonderland on Earth is hiding right here in Bonn. Bonn's vibrant culture is deeply rooted in centuries-old traditions. The city comes alive with festivals that are living history. Bonn's main local festival, the Putzensmarkt, has been running for over 600 years. This annual fair started in the 14th century. That means this celebration is older than the United States of America. They described a citywide party where the beer flows, traditional music fills the air, and the festivities last all day and night. They spoke of a contagious energy that sweeps through the entire population. a time when everyone comes together to celebrate their shared heritage. I witnessed it myself. The atmosphere is electric. It's a joyous explosion of culture, complete with carnival rides, food stalls, and people dancing in the streets. This isn't a performance for tourists. It's a deeply authentic expression of local identity and pride. You feel like you've been invited to take part in a tradition that has been passed down through countless generations. It is raw, real, and unbelievably fun. This is the beating heart of Bonn. Beyond the museums and history, there is a city that knows how to celebrate life with passion. Participating in these festivals is connecting with a spirit that has endured for over 6 centuries. It's a reminder that Bonn has always been a capital of culture, community, and joy. Let's talk about Black Forest cake. Forget what you think you know. Here in Bonn, you'll taste authentic Schwarzwälder Kirschtorte. It's a masterpiece of balance and flavor. The secret? Kirschwasser, a cherry brandy, layers of real whipped cream and juicy cherries. Enjoy it in a cozy German cafe. This dessert will ruin all others for you. Bonn offers world-class cuisine without the hefty price tag. Enjoy a meal fit for royalty with breathtaking Rhine River views for the price of a sad sandwich in Times Square. Imagine sitting at a charming riverside cafe as the sun sets, enjoying a delicious, hearty German meal and a cold beer. A full meal in a location like this will typically cost you between 12 and 20 euros. Dine like a king in one of Germany's most beautiful settings. This incredible affordability changes the way you can travel. We're off to Drachenfels, the Dragon's Rock, steeped in German folklore. Ride a historic cogwheel railway up its slopes. The views are panoramic, sweeping across the Rhine Valley. Explore the romantic castle ruins or visit Schloss Drachenberg. Drachenfels is a journey into German myth, a hidden gem. Here's a secret. Bonn is the smartest travel hub in Germany. It's not just the city itself, but what's beyond. From Bonn's modern central station, you can reach UNESCO World Heritage sites in under an hour. You can be standing in front of globally recognized treasures faster than your daily commute. Bonn isn't just a destination, it's your gateway to the region's best, with unbelievable ease. Think of the possibilities. In 30 minutes, you can be in Cologne at its colossal Gothic cathedral, a UNESCO site. In under an hour, explore the magnificent Augustusburg and Falkenlust palaces at Brühl, a Rococo masterpiece. Or take a scenic boat trip down the Rhine Gorge, another UNESCO site with castles and vineyards. Bonn's location is its superpower, at the heart of German history and culture. The efficient German rail system makes this possible. Trains are fast, punctual, and comfortable. Wake up in your affordable Bonn hotel, explore a medieval castle, have lunch in a historic city, and be back for a riverside dinner as the sun sets. This connectivity is a smart traveler's dream. Have a multi-city vacation while only unpacking once. Insiders choose Bonn for its strategic position and transportation network, the perfect launchpad for a German adventure. You're unlocking a treasure chest of gems. Base yourself in Bonn and let Germany come to you. It's the ultimate travel hack, making your trip richer and easier. All right, you're ready to discover Germany's best-kept secret. So now I'm going to give you the insider secrets, the practical blueprint you need to make your trip absolutely perfect and save money while you do it. First, timing is everything. For the most magical experience, visit in the spring, specifically April, to witness the breathtaking cherry blossoms. Alternatively, the fall, from September to October, offers beautiful foliage, fewer crowds, and pleasant mild weather for exploring. Avoid the peak summer months when prices are highest. Next, let's talk about getting around and saving money. As soon as you arrive, grab the Bonn Welcome Card. For around 16 euros, this card gives you 24 hours of free, unlimited travel on all public transport within the city. It also gets you discounted or even free entry to over 20 museums and attractions, including the major sites on the Museum Mile. This card is an absolute game changer and will pay for itself within your first few hours of sightseeing. It's the single best investment you can make for your trip. When it comes to accommodation, stay near Bonn's Mitte, the Central District, or the Altstadt. This puts you within easy walking distance of most major attractions, restaurants, and the main train station. You can find fantastic, comfortable hotels for around €100 a night, a fraction of what you would pay in Berlin or Munich. Finally, embrace the local pace. Allow yourself to wander through the quiet streets, to sit at a riverside cafe for an hour, to get lost in the gardens of Poppelsdorf Palace. Bonn's magic reveals itself slowly. It's in the friendly conversations and the simple joy of enjoying a Kolsch beer on a sunny afternoon. Follow this blueprint and you won't just visit Bonn, you'll experience it like a true insider, uncovering the secrets that make this city so unforgettable. We asked, is Bonn Germany's best-kept secret? The answer is yes. We uncovered its past. We stood where Beethoven was born. We walked through the Gothic Minster. We strolled through palace gardens. Bonn delivers world-class experiences. We witnessed the magical cherry blossom tunnels. We tasted black forest cake. The verdict is in. Bonn is a treasure chest. Now, after seeing the shocking secrets and unbelievable value this city offers, is this incredible hidden gem going on your bucket list? Are you ready to trade tourist traps for something real and profoundly moving? The journey can be the beginning of your own adventure. Subscribe for more incredible hidden gems that will transform your travels. Your next adventure is out there, waiting in a place you never expected.